All right, Tamikaze here, bringing you a lotto play for silver that I've been thinking about for a while sharing. What I'm looking at here is silver going back to its last bull run, and what I did was I just simply drew the trend line from the bottom to the top. So if it's repeating that, it would make sense that it would match up with its current bull run, and look at that, it does. So what I've done here is we have a target date here of the end of December, pretty much New Year's 21. So what we're doing here is we have a target here of $46 and change. So let's just, for simplicity, say we think it's going to get to $45 by the end of the year. So we can use that to design an awesome, really inexpensive lotto play here. And I'm thinking now is a good time to enter it because if you look at this, this is not my chart, but I found this and I really like it. This is basically how people have been paying for silver lately. So this is the premium they pay on the spot price. And whenever it gets down to this medium, um, silver seems to go back up. So we can see here, we're right there where it's about to hit this bottom again and then bounce up again. So if we see a bounce here, this is definitely something we want to get into. So I have three different options here. The first one is a high risk, high reward option. It's a credit spread for January 15th, 2021. You're going to buy the 40 call and then sell the 45 for $22 would be your cost, with your max gains being 500. So this is over a 2,000% potential return here. This is a in between one where you're getting $1,000 potential for $60. So higher potential, but higher cost. So you're selling the 35 call and you're buying the 35 call and you're selling the 45. So you have a sell here of a 45 and then a sell here or a buy here of the 35. So this has the potential to return $1,000 on $60. And then my third option, the safest option, this is the one I hinted at. This is a $38 spread. So you're selling the 35 and or you're selling the 40 and you're buying the 35. So you own this one and you're selling this one. And what this is doing is if it gets to the 45, it's going to be way in the money. That will be $500 instead of 38. So that's almost a 1,300% return. So you have a 1,300% return here. This is the easiest one to hit. And then if we do hit our target number of 45, we could go with this one. This is $1,000 for $60. So $60 for 1,000. That is a great return. And then the highest return is 22 for 500. So these are my three lotto picks that you can use. If we all are in agreement that silver is going to go to 45 by the end of the year, if it follows this trend line of the last two bull runs, and I think it will, it's definitely on point for that. It's following perfect. You can see here it pulled back, and we're pulling back here, so we're about to hit that next big bull run. So thank you guys. If you have any suggestions or comments for another video, let me know in the comments section, and I know I'll be getting these this week as well.